Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Zohaib and you're watching my YouTube channel Graphic Mode. Today this video is only for that people are my students who are already working as a graphic designer on Fiverr, Upwork or other online platforms. Today in this video I'm going to tell you that what questions that you can ask from your clients, and it's very important to know for every freelancer. They are working on Fiverr, Upwork or other online ordering platforms. So most of the pupils and students, they are feeling hesitation to ask questions from their clients and think that clients will be offended, but and actually it is not like that. If you feel hesitation in asking, then you will face different problems. You can't generate your best ideas related to your design or task. With a lack detailed requirement, it's very difficult to generate a creative and unique ideas about tasks. So don't be afraid and don't feel hesitation and ask clearly what you need about your task. Today I'm gonna telling you that what questions that you must be asked from your client for getting information related to your project or client's order. When the client's place order or message into your inbox, then 5 questions that must be asked from every client. Number first one is, what's your business name or logo name? Both are the same thing, you can use one of them. Number second one is, what's your business slogan? Slogan means a sentence that companies generally use for customer attractions or reliability. And number third one is, do you have specific elements or symbol in your mind? And also tell me about your favorite colors. And number fourth one is, explain your business goal or service just in 2 sentences. Through this you will generate your best ideas about logo design. You can't generate idea only from business name, so this question is very important that must be asked from every client. And number 5 one is, tell me your target audience and market. So these are the 5 questions. These are very important, so you must ask from every client when they are coming into your inbox. So I hope this video will be very informative for you. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.